Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Arif Masaid from Joy Pukas. I'm here with my MS tutor. So, what's your name, Miss?
My name is Wismaya. I am MS 103.
Okay. Here we want to make conversation by the title How I Knew BC.
How are
Yeah.
you?
So, Miss, how you knew BC?
How I knew BC? Okay. I knew BC when I was took my first course in Paris. So BC is not my first. It's my second. So when I was there, I heard about recommendations of courses in Paris, and the one I interested in is BEC. So that's how I knew BEC. And Arif, how did you know about BEC?
I knew BC from my brother. We had studied in BC before. He recommended it to me because he improved his English skill a lot in BC.
So when did your brother come to BC?
He came in 2019.
2009. Oh, that was long ago.
Yes.
So besides your brother recommendation, how did you know about BC yourself?
Actually, I also searched for information on the internet and watches videos about BC on Instagram others. So how did you know? How did you know it?
So after I heard about BC, actually became a teacher. One of my dreams, and at that time I asked to my friends about BC, but they didn't know anything. But when I asked to my tutor, actually she was studying in BC as well, so she told me many things about BC, and from her I got all the information that I need to study in BC. So that was all from my tutor when I was in another course. So after you knowing about BC, after you knew about your brother recommendation,
Yes.
what's the reason that you still choose BC?
My reason for choosing BC, I think BC is very good place for studying English, and it is one of the oldest and as most trusted English course in Paris, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And many alumni said has a strong discipline system and good teaching methods, right?
Yeah, that's correct. Very correct.
What's your reason, Miss, for choosing BC?
Yeah, because the dream of being a tutor, and my tutor as well recommended to me that to take MS program, and how to enter MS program that I have to be a CTC student first. So that's why I think, because I want to achieve my dream, so that's why I choose BEC, and I continue it until now. So after you're searching many informations about BEC,
Yes.
after recommendations, did you have imagination about BEC? What kind of place is this? Do you have imagination before you come here?
Yes, I have imagination. Before going to BC, I have imagined it will be a place where I could practice English skill a lot and improve quickly.
So after you arrive here and then you have learning, is there any imagination that not the same as your imagination, or all your imagination about BC is same?
Actually, same.
Same?
Everything same. But I have a little difficulty understanding English, but I will keep trying and improve my English skill.
So after that, what new things that you get in BEC, like you never get it in your hometown?
In BC, I learned how to speak English more confidently, improve my grammar, and also made friends from different region in Indonesia. And I also learned the management and discipline. So how about you, Miss?
I actually new things here, especially about MS program, that I need to get up early in the morning at 3:30 every day. Even though in a weekend I have to wake up every morning. That actually, when I was in Jakarta, I wake up like 4 or 5 occasionally when I have an event. But here, because I am a student, I need to get up so early every day. I think that's the different thing that the different experience that I have before I came.
Okay, Miss. Thank you for your time. Okay, guess that's all from us.
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.